Have you ever tried a supplement that targets your body's true powerhouse, the mitochondria? Introducing Mitolyn, a unique formula designed to support both weight loss and overall health. Mitolyn fuels your body from within by enhancing cellular energy production. It contains a carefully selected blend of 6 rare and exotic nutrients and botanicals that not only promotes healthy weight loss, but also boosts your natural energy at the cellular level. This is not just another supplement. It's a breakthrough in nutritional science. If you often feel tired or notice your energy fading quickly, Mitolyn could truly transform your life. So why wait? Click the Order Now button today and give your body the real energy it deserves with Mitolyn. The link is in the description. Check it out now.